What? It's still too tight? Did I do 3/4?
You did 82 and 3/4.
Oh!
You had 82 in the brain.
Oh, sir. My brain!
Here you go.
Hello everyone. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Yay! And in today's video, we're installing our French doors and our back entry door. And before we could install the doors, we had to make sure the openings were completely ready. That meant cutting and installing the buckboards, drilling the door frames, and just getting everything prepped. And so we started with the French doors, and since I chose pre-hung doors, proper fastening is like really important. So typically you'll use about 6 to 8 screws on each side of the door jamb. And that's like roughly 12 to 16 inches apart. This is actually something the inspector will be looking for during the final inspection. So it's important that the screws are installed correctly and remain visible until inspection. right here. Last room. Come back. Oh, this door's good. See what this door right here? What you gonna do? So, to my surprise, the roofers came out and installed the underlayment on the same day we were doing the doors. And it was really cool. I didn't know they were coming. And it was a nice treat because it's another step that's done and ready for the next step. So, and it was cool to be there. I love to be at the site when there's other contractors so I can watch them and, see how things are done and learn from them. So it was a really nice surprise. So the last door was fairly easy to install. I did what I did with the French doors by drilling and applying a sealant with a single door. And Nick installed the door properly, which didn't take too long. And I really learned a lot with installing doors and windows and what the inspector is going to look for. I'm grateful that the stage is done. And I'm super happy with my door choices with the budget. My French door doesn't bring light in, but I still like the feel of a French door and what it brings to a household. And so now the next step is for the carpenters to finish their job, and HVAC, plumbing, and electrical will start soon right after. So thank you for watching. And I know it's been a while, but I'm trying to get back to it. There's just a lot going on. So I'll see you guys very soon, inshallah.